Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Opukiye, and if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and go through the channel. There are lots and lots of exciting videos out there for you to watch and improve your math skill. You can also do well to share this channel to students, family members, or even friends, okay, that wants to work on their maths. All right, so let's get right into today's problem. Is on trigonometry, and we have the question as simplify. We have tan 80 minus tan 20 divided by what? 1 plus tan 80 multiplied by what? Tan 20. Now, just looking at this, we can remember that this has to do with what? The aspect of sum and difference of what? Two angles. Okay, so let's recall that formula quickly for tan. So for tan, if I have tan, okay, two angles A, since we have minus, we are going to use the difference what of two angles formula. So if we have tan A minus B, these are two angles. Okay, we are going to represent this as tan A. Okay, now, since this is minus, we are going to use minus. If this was plus, we would have used plus. So tan A minus tan B divide. Now we have 1. Now, since this is minus, this is going to be what? Plus here. So now the product of what we have tan A multiplied by what? Tan B. So this is what the difference of two angles formula. Now, if you look at this and look at this, comparatively, you can see that they look similar. Now, when you have something like this, you want to solve it in such a way that you find your special angles. But for this, I can see that there is no special angle here. So all I need to do is this expression. Now, for this formula, we can solve converting this to this, and we can also solve converting this to this. Okay, so all I need to do in this case, let me write this like this. So we have our tan 80 degree minus what? Tan 20 degree divided by what? So we have 1 plus tan what? Tan 80 degree multiplied by what? Tan 20 degree. Okay, so now I can write this in this form. So I have it as tan what? So A here is what? 80 degrees. So we have 80 degree minus, okay, minus we have B as what? 20 degree. Okay, so to solve problems like this, we simply want to change this to this form. Okay, so now that we change this to this form, we can now solve further. Now to solve further, so that we can be able to develop our special angles, I can see that tan 80 degree minus 20 degree also means what? We can write this as what? Tan, okay, 80 minus 20 degree is what? 60 degree. Okay, so now that we have it as tan 60 degree, we can now what? Solve this, because this is a special angle. So I just want to recall our special angle. Okay, for our special angles, when it comes to, okay, 30 degree and 60 degree, once 30 and 60 degrees involved, we have our adjacent side, we have our what? Opposite side, and we have our what? Hypotenuse. Okay, now how do we put the values? Now from smallest to the highest, we have this as 1. Okay, we have this as square root of what? 3, and we have our hypotenuse as 2. All right, now once you can be able to write this, you can be able to write whether your sine or your cos of what 30 degree, okay, or 60 degree, or even your tan of 30 degree or your tan of 60 degree. So with what I have here, okay, so from this, my tan 60 degree, remember is going to be tan is taller, okay, so we are dealing with what this and this. So I have, okay, let me write it. We have opposite divided by what? Adjacent. So the opposite is what? Square root of what? 3 divided by what? 1. So tan 60 degree is also equals to what? Square root of what? 3. So that gives us the answer to this problem on the board. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to someone out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.